To improve any behaviour, we generally need a plan. The cycle of creating good habits hasn't changed since the early 30s, but our tools and materials have. We also have new technology available to educate and remind us. The cue to remind us to clean our teeth may be having your toothbrush in clear view in the bathroom. Consider setting your goals and the rewards appropriate for your age, and then implement the habit-forming cycle of cue, routine and reward. Enter scores into your profile. The scorecard is more accurate if you get your scores monitored regularly by a dentist or hygienist. The scorecard gives an indication of the condition of your teeth and gums, as well as your general health. By setting appropriate timely reminders in the app and following the various instructional videos, you can improve your scores and maintain a healthy mouth and body by the development of these good habits. Once you've reached your goal, have your reward. Claude Hopkins' reward for removing the film on your teeth and fresh breath hasn't changed, but our expectations and lifestyle have.
All my oral health videos are now available as a free download on your mobile device. Download the free Teeth for Life app and press Squeeze Me to see how it can help save time and money for you and your family. Alternatively, look at the video links here, and please press the subscribe button to help improve oral health for everyone.